All right, Paul Katroff here with 423byland.com. Right now we've got Val and Dave here, and these guys are in action doing a bang-up job. This is the purest form of a culvert installation that you're ever going to see. It's phenomenal that we're able to get them right now while we're in the act. So this is a great opportunity for everybody to see exactly what they're going to get. As you can see, Val is using these stakes to keep the culvert in place. Dave is waiting to come back behind him with the tractor. And of course, this is a beautiful lot that they're working on. They're going to be putting a pad right through the center there. This is really cool. Right now, they've got about 4 or 5 of these going on at the same time. This is going to promote the water flow in the property. And that's where your car is going to drive over. Really neat stuff we got here. Really neat stuff. Okay. Here is another culvert installation that is going down today. This is a special lot because this is mine. This is going to be a storage lot for our equipment. And I'm having Dave and Val, they'll be getting to this after they finish the one we just took a video of. So you can see that they make sure to stay 5 feet off the lot line. See, right about to there is 5 feet. That way you can put an electric pole, and it's got to be so far away. And that way, if I put a water and sewer meter in one day, one will go here, and it's the proper distance to code. So here is the pipe. And what they're going to do is you're going to take a tractor, he's going to smooth that. Probably right about to there. Right about to there. I'm not having them install a pad to go the run. Yeah, it would look nice, but I'm only going to be storing a trailer on here temporarily. I may put a small shed with a little office one day, who knows. But for now, this will give you an idea. And this is about the amount of dirt that will be used to the culvert installation. So the culvert installations run about $800 to $850. If for some reason it's a real deep culvert, and some of these trenches are really deep, in the subdivision, some of them are 2-3 feet deep, then you might need an extra couple loads. It might go up to maybe 1,000, but for the most part you're looking at roughly $800 to be able to get over the culvert and onto the property in case you have to work. Now, you don't want to leave a vehicle there. That's never going to work. You know, if you're coming here for the weekend and you just want to play on your property, all you really need is a culvert and a dirt to cover it. Anyway,